Here I've got Kruger&Matz Move 8 Mini, and let me show you how to activate safe mode on the following device. So at first you have to tap on power key and hold it for a while, then select power off and just hold it until you see the notification about rebooting to safe mode. And if you truly want to disable all third-party applications, click on OK and wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, now we are in safe mode. You can notice the notification over here, and you can use the device with all third-party applications deactivated. Then once you check everything and you want to go back to the normal mode with all applications active, simply tap on power key, hold it for a while and select restart. And that is all. As you can see, now we are back in the normal mode, so you can use all applications. That would be all, so you can activate and deactivate safe mode in your Move 8 Mini. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.